Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey. I'm back to do a little work in the spooky, shabby journal that I previously started. I will put all the links to previous videos in the description box below. I'm going to be working on the topper for this journal. Initially, I planned to do something with the frame and the graphic that I created. This is what usually happens. I add to my original idea. So this will end up being some type of trifold topper on the cover of this journal. Now, I had microphone gremlins again. I had some voiced content as part of this video, but apparently my mic wasn't recording. So I'm just going to do the mixed media bits and pieces on this and start with the trifold. And I'm just going to turn on some music and I will catch you at the end. Okay, so I think this was a good place to stop. I've done some of the topper. It still needs to be finished on the inside. I think I'm going to put a dangle here on the tab on the cover, but this is where I am. So I did the collage using Happy Scraps, and this is just like a little sneak peek at some of the other images that I will be using throughout the journal. So as far as the topper goes, I need to mat and finish embellishing the inside bits. But I got it on here. I used the magnet so that when I open this flap wouldn't just fall open. It would stay closed. I've already started adding little bits and pieces on the inside that I want to use to embellish. So we will be working on that in future videos. I have my uh, notepads back here in the back, my little scrappy notepads that I will be using in the journal, ready to slide into a belly band somewhere. And that's pretty much it. So in an upcoming video, we will finish the topper and then start working on the embellishments on the inside pages. And that is it. We'll definitely be back to do some more work in it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.